A single cricket bat can unleash a force capable of launching a ball into the stands from seemingly impossible angles. Imagine a split-second dive, transforming a sure boundary into a match-saving catch, igniting the entire stadium. Women's cricket consistently delivers these breathtaking spectacles, pushing the boundaries of athletic achievement with every game. Their performances redefine what is possible on the pitch, leaving crowds in absolute awe of their skill. For enthusiasts worldwide, women's cricket stands as a vibrant testament to unparalleled skill, fierce competition, and unwavering dedication. This dynamic sport showcases incredible athleticism, strategic mastery, and moments of pure brilliance, captivating millions of viewers. Athletes on the field display a relentless pursuit of excellence, transforming every match into a compelling narrative of triumph and challenge. The game's growth has unveiled a global stage where talent shines brightly, inspiring countless individuals across different cultures and nations. Viewers are drawn to the sheer power of their hitting, the intricate artistry of their bowling, and the electric energy of their fielding. Each contest promises intense drama, unexpected twists, and unforgettable individual performances that resonate long after the final ball. You witness strategic genius unfolding with every over, as captains and players adapt their tactics against formidable opposition. The passion radiating from these athletes is palpable, demonstrating a profound love for the game and a desire to win. Their journey symbolizes resilience and determination, overcoming numerous challenges to claim their rightful place at the pinnacle of sports. This evolution has fostered a powerful community, uniting fans who celebrate every boundary, every wicket, and every victory. It emphasizes the collective strength required for success, showcasing how teamwork elevates individual brilliance to extraordinary heights. Truly, women's cricket has carved its undeniable niche, proving itself an exhilarating and essential part of the global sporting landscape. The highlights reel often begins with explosive batting, where batters unleash devastating power through perfectly timed shots. You frequently see powerful drives soaring over the covers, or audacious sweeps clearing the ropes for maximum impact. Batters craft majestic centuries, building their innings with a blend of aggressive hitting and intelligent rotation of strike. But that's not the only way they captivate audiences. Sometimes, a single boundary can change the entire match trajectory.
Imagine a batter fearlessly charging down the pitch, dispatching a fast bowler over long on with incredible wrist power.
Some dominate bowling, constructed through sheer grit and resilience, turning seemingly impossible targets into achievable goals.
The elegance of their footwork combined with immense strength allows them to dominate bowling attacks across various conditions.
Yet, even more astonishing moments awaited, particularly when a batter consistently finds gaps with surgical precision, frustrating fielders. Then comes the art of bowling, where precision and deception combine to dismantle opposing batting lineups with strategic brilliance. Pace bowlers deliver thunderbolts that swing late, leaving batters bewildered and often clean bowled by their sheer speed. Spinners weave intricate webs, coaxing batters into false shots with their subtle variations and masterful control over the ball. Wait until you hear what comes next. A bowler might produce an unplayable delivery that spins sharply, catching the edge for a crucial wicket. A perfectly executed Yorker, delivered at blistering speed, can shatter stumps and change the momentum of an entire match instantly. Bowlers often employ clever field placements, setting traps that entice batters into making critical errors under immense pressure. The strategic battles between bat and ball are truly captivating, as each delivery represents a calculated move in a high-stakes chess game. But that's not the full story. Sometimes, a spellbinding bowling performance can devastate an entire batting lineup in mere overs. Their ability to adapt their lines and lengths based on the pitch and batter's technique showcases remarkable cricketing intelligence.
Beyond batting and bowling, the fielding prowess on display is nothing short of extraordinary, often deciding the outcome of close encounters.
You see fielders flying through the air, plucking seemingly impossible catches out of thin air with incredible agility and focus. Imagine a direct hit from the boundary, sending the bails flying and securing a crucial run out, igniting cheers from the crowd. The athleticism required for these acrobatic feats is immense, demonstrating years of dedicated training and raw physical talent. And then something unexpected happened. A single piece of fielding brilliance could shift the game's momentum dramatically, defying expectations. Boundary riders exhibit incredible presence of mind, preventing fours and sixes with last-ditch dives and quick reflexes near the ropes. Wicket keepers execute lightning-fast stumpings, capitalizing on even a fraction of a second of hesitation from the opposing batter. These moments of individual brilliance are often synchronized with impeccable teamwork, creating a formidable and impenetrable unit on the field. Yet, the most astounding aspect lies in their ability to perform under the most intense pressure, with millions watching every movement intently. The collective energy of a well-drilled fielding side often puts immense pressure on batters, leading to forced errors and wickets. Their ability to hold their nerve during crucial death overs, preventing boundaries and taking wickets, truly defines their championship mentality. Whether it's a game-changing partnership or a spellbinding bowling performance, these highlights elevate the sport to new, thrilling heights. Each match becomes a canvas for these remarkable athletes to paint their masterpieces of skill, strategy, and sheer will to win. The sheer volume of awe-inspiring moments guarantees that every fan finds something truly special to celebrate and remember fondly. From the roar of the crowd after a six to the quiet tension before a crucial delivery, every element adds to the drama. The relentless pursuit of perfection drives these players, ensuring that the standard of play continues to rise with each passing season. They consistently demonstrate an unwavering commitment to their craft, inspiring admiration from both seasoned experts and new followers alike. The impact of these astonishing displays extends far beyond the cricket field, inspiring countless young athletes around the globe. These players serve as powerful role models, demonstrating that dedication, talent, and hard work truly pave the way to success. They challenge outdated perceptions about women in sport, proving that skill and athleticism know no gender boundaries whatsoever. Their performances cultivate a new generation of fans, drawing more people into the exhilarating world of cricket with their brilliance. The sport's growing visibility creates new opportunities for women, fostering greater participation and professional pathways in athletics. You see the tangible effects in increased viewership and attendance, as more individuals recognize the high-quality entertainment on offer. These athletes are forging a remarkable legacy, establishing new benchmarks for excellence and setting aspirational goals for future players. Their contributions significantly elevate the status of women's sports, demanding equal recognition and respect on the global stage. This shift fosters a more inclusive sporting environment where talent and merit are universally celebrated regardless of background. The stories of their triumphs and challenges resonate deeply, offering lessons in perseverance, teamwork, and overcoming adversity. They are not merely playing a game. They are shaping a cultural movement, advocating for equality and empowerment through their achievements. Cannot be overstated. Greater creating investment shared in grassroots experiences and programs and youth memories. They passion for bring to cricket is millions of infectious. Greater creating investment shared in grassroots experiences and programs and youth memories development initiatives everywhere. This sustained excellence ensures that women's cricket continues its upward trajectory, securing its place as a major global sporting phenomenon. Every boundary, every wicket, and every victory contributes to a larger narrative of progress and unwavering sporting achievement. Ultimately, their extraordinary highlights embody the spirit of sport itself. Relentless pursuit of greatness, inspiring all who witness it. Women's cricket showcases unparalleled skill, strategic depth, and breathtaking athleticism, making every match a memorable event. The consistent delivery of spectacular highlights firmly establishes its place as a truly captivating and essential global sport. From powerful strokes to incredible catches, these athletes repeatedly prove their mastery, inspiring millions worldwide with their dedication. They continue to redefine the sports landscape, demonstrating that passion and perseverance can lead to extraordinary, enduring success. And let us know your favorite A Moment's Fascinating. Subscribe for more captivating sports stories and insightful analyses like this. Hit the like button to show your support, and let us know your favorite unforgettable cricket highlight in the comments below.